everyone. We all know that we spend lots of time and money considering what we put on our faces. But how much do you think you are following a clear skin diet? Here are the best and clear skin diet tips and benefits for you. Sunflower oil is high in linoleic acid which can help support your skin cells membranes. It may also reduce cellular inflammation which can be associated with aging. Pomegranates contain polyphenols which also fight free radicals and helps to regulate skin blood flow. Pomegranate seeds also have decent amount of fiber, making them a satiating way to sprinkle some color onto your salads and side dishes. Naturally occurring fruit sugar isn't remotely as scary as added sugar. But if you're concerned about it, then you won't want to go totally nuts with the pomegranate seeds. Yellow and green peppers are packed with carotenoids, another antioxidant that decreases sun sensitivity, diminishing the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and crow's feet. In addition, the calcium to our bones, milk is a great source of vitamin D. This is good for your skin because getting your daily dose of vitamin D from milk means you don't have to get unprotected sun exposure, which helps preventing wrinkles and discoloration. Greek yogurt is nicknamed as the wrinkled fighter. Greek yogurt is great for banishing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It is rich in B vitamins which helps to detox skin. But note the emphasis on the Greek part of this yogurt, there is a difference. Flavored yogurt is one of the healthy food that aren't really healthy for a variety of reasons, one being that it can wrinkle your skin. The amino acids found in the protein rich foods like meat or eggs are the building blocks of collagen production. If you are wondering what the heck is collagen, it's a protein that helps to improve your skin's elasticity, preventing sagging, and ultimately leaving your skin plump and youthful. Just don't go overboard. Your body can really only process 30 grams of protein in one meal. Surprisingly, chocolate is on the list. Dark chocolate is great for skin firming. It also have flavonols which is very potent antioxidant. But be sure to avoid any chocolate less than 70% cacao. Look for high cacao concentration because these have less sugar, which can be terribly for your skin. Berries owe their vibrant colors to antioxidants, which are a wonderful source of antioxidants. If your diet includes blueberries, raspberries, cherries, and the like, you'll get a range of protective antioxidants that shield your skin from free radicals. If you were to only eat one vegetable, make it broccoli. It contains a myriad of good for your skin vitamins, including A and C, which is a fantastic antioxidant that also supports collagen production. There's also vitamin K in broccoli, which speeds up the healing of bruises and may even help improve dark under eye circles. Kidney beans are fibrous protein rich food does wonders for your skin. They are very rich in zinc, which has high healing properties that help fighting acne. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Top Animates. Hit like, share and comment. Thank you.